Things you're gonna need: a plastic can, any type of cloth, hot glue gun, marker, scissors and cutter, and rope. Now we need to cut the can of the needed size. So take your marker and mark the size. Now I'm gonna cut it. Take your cloth and I'm gonna cover my can using this cloth till here. So cut the needed size of your cloth. Now I'm gonna stick it. I have stuck the cloth. Now start sticking the rope. I have stuck the rope. Now take another piece of rope and stick it on the basket as a handle. I'm gonna stick a small piece of cloth over the rope. I have stuck the handle. Now I'm gonna stick some crystals on it to make it more beautiful. My basket is ready. Now it's your turn to try it.